Ni mubango uria kurigana na President William RUTO wambiriirie kurutirwo wira ona mbere ya kampeni cia githurano kihituku. RUTO akiuga mubango uria riu uhitukitio na gutuika watho niguo kihonia kia mitangiko ekonainie na motungata ma ugima wa mwiri bururi-ini.
It's the purple seal of the Republic of Kenya on the statutes in accordance with the legal.
Mawatho mana ma urigitani maria RUTO ekirite kirore umuthi ni hamwe na watho wa motungata ma ugima wa mwiri uria ukoya ithenya ria mubango wa NHIF na rungu rwa mubango uyu igena ithatu ithondekwo gia guthaitira mirimo, kigina kia motungata ma ugima wa mwiri, naho kigina kia mirimo ya kurigitwa ihinda iraya na kigina kia motungata ma ugima wa mwiri ma hinahi.
When we sat down and we agreed that for us to deliver universal health coverage, we must learn from the past mistakes and see what is it that we need to do as a ministry to ensure that this time round it does not fail as per your instructions.
We who work under you have everything to do to implement these laws in turning around healthcare architecture for the benefit of the people of Kenya.
Since independence, significant efforts have been made, but we have never quite gotten where we've always wanted. But that is changing today.
Watho wa keri ni wa kuhuthia motungata ma urigiti kugerera nenda-ini. Watho wa gatatu ari kurigiriria mirimu iria oho ikuruhanite na heani ya motungata ma urigiti matura-ini, na watho wa kana ni wa gutigirira mbeca iria ithukiirwo mathibitari itinahuthika na njira ingi.
I want to say, under the laws we have passed, even those who cannot afford 300 will now have an opportunity to have an insurance cover, so that we can truly say no Kenyan will be left behind.
Ona gutuika motungata ma ugima wa mwiri mari rungu rwa thirikari cia county, President ni ereire kanje ya magavana mubango uyu ndukwagira kiene itemi ria magavana hari gukinyaniria motungata maya, akiuga hena mutaratara wa kwarira mibango eno kiwatho ndetweria ekiritwo mukode ni minister wa ugima wa mwiri Susan Nakumicha.
We are going to involve all stakeholders, and in the next 2 months maximum, Your Excellency, the regulations are going to be ready.
By letting counties down, we will be letting Kenya down, and that we will not do. As you have said correctly, there will be a follow-through with regulations that will underpin some of the specific items of these pieces of legislation.
Ihinda-ini ore RUTO no atugiritie bunge ya bururi-ini ya Senate hari kurunga watho uyu na kuhitukia hamwe na anyiti itemi aria angi marakuruhanitio.
And assure Kenyans that they shall no longer have to lose their homes, they shall no longer be rendered homeless or become destitute in their own country on account of healthcare bills that they have incurred in hospitals.
In record time, Parliament discharged its responsibility. And two things happened. We chose first that as we developed the laws at the final stages, we invited the two committees, at least the leadership, to participate with us.
Muthenya wa RUCIU, President ni atanyetwo kuruguria mubango wa urigitani wa UHC hedi ya MAMBURA ma MASHUJAA kauntiini ya KERICHO.
Sit back to our chairs.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.